Starting a systematic investment plan or SIP can feel overwhelming, especially if you're unsure about how to build a solid portfolio. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First, let's talk about your financial goals. Are you saving for a dream vacation, a new car, or perhaps your child's education? Each goal requires a different approach. For short term goals, say within 3 years, you might want to consider debt funds or liquid funds. These are less volatile and provide decent returns without exposing your capital to too much risk. For long term goals like retirement or buying a home, equity mutual funds are your best bet. They have the potential for higher returns. But remember, they come with higher risk. Now, how many mutual funds should you include in your portfolio? A common mistake is over diversification. Ideally, you should aim for 3 to 5 funds. This allows you to spread your risk without complicating your portfolio. Choose a mix of equity, debt, and hybrid funds that align with your risk appetite. If you're a conservative investor, lean more towards debt funds. If you're comfortable with market fluctuations, then a higher allocation to equity funds is advisable. Next, let's discuss the types of funds that suit different goals. For wealth creation over the long term, consider large cap or multi-cap funds. They invest in established companies and have a track record of stability. If you're looking for aggressive growth, small cap funds can be a great option, but they come with higher volatility. For regular income, balanced or hybrid funds can provide a mix of equity and debt, giving you the best of both worlds. Now, let's look at sample portfolios based on risk levels. For a conservative investor, a portfolio could consist of 70% in debt funds and 30% in equity funds. For a moderate investor, you might want to balance it with 50% in equity and 50% in debt. And for an aggressive investor, a portfolio with 70% equity and 30% debt could work well. Adjust these percentages based on your comfort level and financial goals. One of the biggest mistakes to avoid is not reviewing your portfolio regularly. The market changes, and so do your financial goals. Make it a habit to review your investments at least once a year. This will help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. Another common pitfall is letting emotions drive your investment decisions. Markets will fluctuate, and it's easy to panic during a downturn. Stick to your plan and remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Building your wealth through SIPs is about creating a smart, customized plan that reflects your unique financial situation. With the right approach, you can achieve your goals without relying on random guesses. So take the time to understand your needs, choose the right funds, and watch your wealth grow steadily over time.